Uhuru friends and comrades, this is Jackson with another Daily Reparations Life Hacks with Jackson. Thank you for tuning in. This is a reparations challenge, a campaign by the Uhuru Solidarity Movement. So thank you. And today's life hack is to get a water bottle that is easy to clean. This is my personal one, has a Planet Uhuru sticker on it, and I've had other water bottles that were not easy to clean, that had all sorts of different nooks and crannies, and was really hard to get in there and sometimes impossible to get in there. And so when that happens, mold builds up and bacteria, and it is disgusting and unhealthy, and you don't feel good when drinking out of them. So definitely recommend getting a water bottle that is easy for you to clean. There's also like bottle brushes to get into ones with skinnier tops. This is the one I have. It's pretty simple. There's a few little nooks in the lid itself when you open it, but you can easily get into those with a sponge or something. And it's really simple. Also, don't just get a water bottle that's easy to clean, but clean it. Remember to clean it. So pretty much every night I soak my water bottle either in a mixture of water and vinegar, or sometimes just water and a drop of soap, and leave it there overnight, and then rinse it out and wash it out in the morning. And then during the weekends I do a deep clean, especially of the lid, in order to get any kind of buildup, anything like that. If there's lipstick on the rim, to get that off. And so that's what I do. Highly recommend doing that, because drinking mold is not good for you. So can develop all sorts of different health problems, and it's horrible for you. So definitely clean out your water bottle, get one that's easy to clean. That's my life hack for today. Please support this reparations challenge by going to uhurusolidarity.org. That's UHURU solidarity.org. Click the big red button, pay reparations, and put in the comments that it is for daily reparations. Thank you, and Uhuru.